What up, Smart Rapper family? Today we're going to talk about a really good one. You're probably going to need to know this. And this is 4 ways to make money with your home studio. If you have a home studio at all, this is going to be things that you can do to help you make your money back for the studio or to expand the studio and get better gear. You're going to get way smarter today. I'm Rob Level. This is SmartRapper.com, and you're about to become a smarter rapper right after the intro. Alright, here's a couple ideas, things you probably didn't think about doing, but you could do it if you got a home studio for yourself. Alright, number 1 is you could do voiceovers. What? Okay, if you already have a home studio and you can record yourself in its high quality, and if you don't know what voiceovers are voiceovers are like when people need somebody else to read a script or to read, to do voiceovers for maybe a cartoon or something small, or just all kinds of videos. And how you can do this is you could sign up for a Fiverr account. So Fiverr.com. Now it may only be $5, but imagine you get 10 people to do this. You spend 30 seconds doing a voiceover. You make 50 bucks. You know, 50 extra bucks a week, just because somebody paid you to say 30 words. Nobody's ever gonna know it's you. Nobody's ever gonna know it's you. I've done voiceovers for commercials, and you never knew that, right? Nope. But you get paid money. You do it like, hey, all right, today's product is blah blah blah. You just like, or whatever, however they want it delivered, and they'll choose you based on whatever intro video that you make for Fiverr. Fiverr is a great way for you to make money, and you can really only do the voiceovers if you have a home studio to record the vocals. So that's a great way for you to make some money, and you don't only have to do Fiverr. You can find other websites where you can do voiceovers. Okay, you can make little bits of money, but it's better than no money. And eventually, once you have a catalog and credentials built up, you can charge more. Okay, or you can have bigger offers. From $5, you can say, for $50, I'll read a whole ebook for you, or audiobook for you, which will take you like an hour to make $50. These little things that most people don't think about using or doing to make money, and using your home studio, you can do that. Let's go on. Number 2, and I used to do this is how I used to make some extra money, is you could record other rappers in the area's songs. You can say, hey, come over, $20 an hour. $20, I'll record you and I'll mix your stuff up. Or you just say, well, just record the stuff. Okay, because rappers need a studio. You already built your home studio. They need one. They don't have one. Post ads on Craigslist. Just say a little home studio in whatever area, and post them up at a school, put them on a bulletin board, put things up at the local Kmart, Walmart, the board at Kroger or your grocery store. And people may be like, oh, okay, cool, I did want to record something. It doesn't matter, you can make some extra money doing that. You know what I'm saying? You sell 10 hours worth of time, you make $200, right? Like that. Plus you're building a relationship and a network with that rapper. This is a way for you to make money. I'm assuming some people may have a home studio, or they lost their job, or they just want to make some extra money. That's how you do that. Okay, let's go on to number 3. Number 3 goes back to what I said in the last one. If you have even decent mixing skills, some people have home studios, but they have horrible mixing skills. They don't know how to mix themselves. They don't know how to do anything but maybe even record themselves. What you can do is you can have them send the vocals that they have, and you can mix them, or they can come into the studio, you give them, they can record, it costs X amount, but then you can upsell them and upcharge them for additional cost to mix and master their songs. Like, I mean, there's a lot of companies make a lot of extra money by upselling the mixing and mastering services, even for just $25 to $50, because they know that there's so many rappers out there, there's so many musicians and artists and upcoming everything that they need their songs mixed, right? Well, if you can be that person in your area that'll do real quick mixes, you don't have to be amazing, but as long as you can make it sound clean and sound good, well, they're gonna be like, okay, cool, I'll give this dude $20 to spend 30 minutes on this so I can release this song on SoundCloud this weekend. That's a good way to make money too. You don't have to have a crazy amount of skills for these things, but also the more that you do it, the better you're gonna get, the more you can charge. Keep that in mind. Let's go on to number 4. Number 4, now I'm not saying that you're gonna have a crazy cool looking home studio, but if you do have a decent looking home studio, like mine's way above average. Like mine's, I've had people in here who have $500,000 studios, have been like, I've never seen a home studio like this. Like, because people don't take shit to the next level like I do. I'm all about just growing and everything like that, whatever. Okay, but if you have a decent looking home studio, even with like basic gear, just like a microphone, and you got like a little booth, you got some acoustic treatment up, you could charge people to come shoot a music video in your studio, or you could say, hey, come here, record your song, I'll mix your song, and you can also shoot your music video in my studio. Right? It doesn't have to look crazy cool. You can set up some little monitors. Those little monitors, see those JBLs, the red one and the black one right there? Those are only $100 each, right? Maybe 125. I got them on sale 100 each, right? I don't even really use those. I got these $800 ones now, 800 each. But the thing is that those right there look really cool in the studio. You set those on some $50 monitor stands, all right? So you're talking about $250, plus you could use them to help yourself mix, okay? Those look really cool. You can, that's how you spruce up your studio. Your studio's look really cool. Then you could charge people to shoot music videos in your studio. And these are tips for people that are like beginning and just need to get some extra cash. You may be 14 years old and have these things, or 18, or maybe 20, 21. But these, I know for a fact, damn, I probably have those pictures somewhere out there. Look for them though. If you can see my original home studio, I'm talking. I had the square monitors, like the little cheap CRT monitors,
oh, God.
And like I mean, it was just so. I had the shittiest little studio, but I was recording myself, and people would come in there and shoot videos inside of my home studio. So big deal, right? But these are little things you can do that you probably didn't think about. Don't ever doubt yourself or put yourself down and think I don't have enough to do this. You could. You don't know. You have more than a lot of other people have if you have a home studio. They don't have a home studio at all. Okay, like they would love to come in there and use your home studio. Okay, because they want to be rappers. They want to be smart like us. They want to be able to grow. Well, they need you then. Charge them. Make some money. You just became a smarter rapper. We're about to talk about our word of the day today. Today's word of the day happens to be on here. You probably already know this word, but let's make sure that we're on here. It's called adapt. Okay, and you guys probably already know what adapt means. We're still gonna click it a bunch of times, right?
Adapt.
She's so fancy. Right, okay. To make or become fit, often by modification. Realistically, what you are doing by watching these videos is you are adapting to becoming a rapper. You're adapting to the industry. You're adapting to your new lifestyle and the new mindset, especially, and most importantly, the new mindset that you need in order to become a better rapper, a smarter rapper, and grow and become a musician, a businessman, because I also teach business skills on here, all right? So you're adapting, you're consistently adapting, you're evolving. I'm sure you already knew what that meant, but that's a very good word that you can consistently use in conversation to make yourself seem like, oh, this dude's doing his thing. He's adapting to the environment and to the conversation. Okay, you just became a smarter rapper. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. Hit me with a like. Hit me with a comment with your 4 bars for the day. I love seeing you guys put 4 bars below. It's always fantastic. All right, and then hit me with a subscribe. And when you hit subscribe, hit that little bell because it's gonna notify you every time I release a new video, so you can become a smarter rapper. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another video and another word of the day, so don't miss that. But until then, check out these other videos, and also subscribe to my channel and subscribe to my other channel, which is almost at 100,000 subscribers. Okay. Again, today's word, adapt. And tomorrow's word will probably be better. You'll see it tomorrow, I guess. Click one of these videos, y'all. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow, Smart Rapper family. I appreciate y'all. Keep hustling. All right?